The following preview has been approved for restricted audiences only.
What's going on, gamer guys and gals? Thanks for walking the block again and coming to hang out at Calamity's Corner for a little update. Just going to let you guys, give you guys some information about this new PlayStation 3 system software update that went live on October 23rd. It's version 4.30. And it just went live on October 23rd. It's pretty minor. They didn't really change much. What they did was they made some updates to how trophies are displayed. They used to be here in your game column. It was, I believe it was above your PlayStation Store and below Save Data Utility. It has now been moved to your PlayStation Network column right here. It was here, now it's over here. And so they just moved it a few spaces and click on that. And actually what they did was now you can also you can view your PlayStation Vita games now. Your Vita games, trophies, and your trophy progression on your Vita through your PlayStation 3, which you couldn't before. I know some of you Vita owners are wanting to be able to see maybe when your Vita friends are online and what games they're playing, maybe through your PS3, because they're supposed to be, all this cross-platform is their big selling point. They haven't worked on that. I'm guessing that may be coming down the pipe later on. But this is where they view your trophies. You can view your trophies now here. And originally when you first do it, at least it was for me, it was sorted by title. So if you just hit triangle, you can go to sort by, and originally it was sorted by title name. You can sort it to update date, and now basically mean whatever the last game you played was, that'll be what's at the top of your trophy list. So you can sort it to whatever games you want to view, or the last game played will be whatever's left up there. That'll be that. And let's see. Originally they were supposed to, actually they were supposed to redesign the PlayStation Store with this update. Also, that's gotten pushed back. Because it's already, the redesigning of the PlayStation Store is already out in Australia, New Zealand, and several countries over in Europe, and they have had some issues in some places, and I think they've worked out a lot of them. Most of the issues have been solved, so I think they're still working on a few bugs before it gets released here in the United States, Canada, Mexico, and Brazil. So us 4 countries, we are the ones left waiting for our redesigning of the PlayStation Store. So they haven't released a date on when they're supposed to come out, when they're actually going to redesign the PlayStation Store. So who knows when that'll be? Maybe sometime soon, maybe not. I don't know. But United States, Canada, Mexico, and Brazil, we're still waiting on the redesigning of the PlayStation Store. And not that that's really a big thing, but there's no exact release date on that. And also with this update 4.30, they actually got rid of the Life with PlayStation application, and that was also the folding at home for you guys that used that, if you remember what it was or if you even paid attention to it. I used it a little bit at first. I think it was here in your network. I think it's already gone too. So that is actually going to be already out. That's already out the door. Life with PlayStation application to new users with the 4.30 update. It's already gone, and that means that's the conclusion of their participation with Stanford University's Folding at Home. And basically what that was a distributed computing program aimed at understanding protein folding, misfolding, and studying the causes of a variety of diseases such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and as other various cancers. I believe that was here in the network Life with PlayStation thing. So that's already gone out the tube. That's already gone. So that's basically what your version 4.30 PlayStation System update consists of. Is your PlayStation trophies are now here in your PlayStation Network column instead of your game column, and you can view your Vita trophies on here for any Vita owners. And we're still not getting a PlayStation Store redesigning yet, so that'll be coming later on. And you can't fold your proteins at home anymore. So that's basically what they've done. So not much of an update, but I just wanted to let you guys know, for you guys that may have been wondering what the update actually entailed, that's what it's about. Thanks for walking the block again, guys, and checking out the vid and hanging out at Calamity's Corner. And as always, game on and game hard.
The Calamity Jones Project.